Since they have given everyone the update for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, the camera update, we know about the AR emojis and we know about the super slow motion addition. They also did some tweaking to the cameras. Now this is the food camera mode, which is an amazing feature, and I'll give you an example of how they upgraded it. Now if I highlight one of these in specific, there's the red, there's the green, there's the yellow. If you take a picture with it highlighted, just like I just did, you would see in the picture, this is called food mode, that it singles out the yellow apple, and you could see that without a shadow of a doubt. Now what they've done basically is, if you were to use this mode, as far as you want to use like different types of colors and stuff on your food, let's say for instance, let's go to the red apple. Okay, so right here they put more detail into it, like notice the backgrounds are getting more detailed. You can see just look at the color. The saturation is really a big upgrade and improvement. But if you wanted your food to come out, extra saturated, those are the improvements that they put on it. So let's take a picture of the green apple and see if we find some flaws in it. Okay, there's a picture of it. Now let's go to it in the food mode. As you notice, everything else is blurred out. Let's do a zoom. As you can see, you could actually see that apple has some flaws in it. As you can see underneath it, it's not a perfectly healthy apple or fruit. But also the details you can see in that apple, man, all the way up to the stems, and you still can see the other apples as well, but you can see this one in specific is singled out. So those are some of the upgrades that were added to the new features in your updated camera mode for the Samsung Galaxy 8. They have added more saturation, more detail to the 12 megapixel rear camera, and the food mode is a little bit more enhanced. Subscribe.